Hi guys, nice to see you again and thank you for watching Cooking with an Italian. Guys, today is something very easy, al bacio and always cool. Because now stuff become a little bit warmer, it's summertime, easy to cook. We don't gonna turn on any gas, any flame today. I'm going to make fig salad and I'll show you what we need. I'm gonna use rocket. This is supermarket, it's 2 bags, but if you don't like rocket, you can use normal salad. Some pomegranate seeds, fig, cherries, burrata, walnuts, balsamic vinegar, and some Parma ham. Take a nice plate, rocket or salad. This I'm gonna do for two, for me and my beautiful partner, soon wife. They already washed the fig. You know, just slice 2 in half. I'm gonna do in 3. Just put like that. And always, guys, if you like this video, share with friends. If you can, subscribe on the channel and check our website cookingwithanitalian.com. See, already is beautiful color. Now some cherry, of course, guys, if you like. That's it. Pomegranate seeds. Not too many. You can take the burrata, just careful the burrata, take in the hand and just break by hand. Oh, look at that. Like this. The cream is inside. Oh, look there. Take your Parma Ham, or it's good as well if you like bresaola. Just break like this. If you notice, I didn't put any salt and pepper because it's better you put the salt and pepper here before you serve. Yeah, look at that. Look at the beautiful it is. Huh? Now take your walnut, just a little bit around. They already toast. Couple minutes. Take your balsamic vinegar. Later, before you serve this, you can put some salt, pepper, olive oil, mix everything, and when you put in the plate, and you can add again a little bit of balsamic vinegar. Okay, it's a masterpiece. How long? 5 minutes. This is my fig salad, always the best. Al bacio. If you like, always guys, finger up and follow us. Ciao!